Today we're going to go ahead and change out the full length SP Concepts Turnpike exhaust for the mid-length version of that same exhaust. Hoping to shrink it up, save a little bit of weight, pull it back. Should be landing somewhere in about that neighborhood. So follow us through it, we'll get it done. All right, we swapped out the exhaust. You can see the old exhaust, it has some nice bluing to it. I like that gold color, so I can't wait for that new exhaust to get the gold color. But check out the new length of the exhaust. Your axle is about right here. So you're hanging out past your axle about 4 or 5 inches, or probably 5 inches, compared to this one, which mounted right there. So you're saving at least a foot to 13, 14 inches of exhaust. I think it came out pretty good. Can't wait to get it all blued out. And if you look at the back of the bike now, you no longer see that tube hanging out back, so it's real clean. That's how I should have done it in the first place.